Hello, everyone. Welcome to SK English Connection Channel.
Scene 1. Asking for the bill.
You've finished eating. The server hasn't brought the bill yet. What can you say? The most natural sentence is, could we have the bill, please? Repeat after me. Could we have the bill, please? Perfect.
That sounds polite. What about check, please? I've heard that in movies.
Great question. In American English, people often say, could we get the check, please? In British English, people usually say, could we have the bill, please? Both are correct. Just remember where they're commonly used.
So if I accidentally say bill in America, will people understand?
Absolutely. They'll understand. Maybe they'll smile, but nobody will panic.
Good. I don't want the restaurant to stop serving food because of me.
That would be a very dramatic dinner.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after us. Could we have the bill, please? Could we get the check, please? We're ready to pay. Excellent.
Scene 2. When the server brings the bill.
Server. Here you are, whenever you're ready.
Paul. Wait, what does whenever you're ready mean? Does it mean I have 1 hour?
Not exactly. It simply means no rush. Take your time, look at the bill, pay when you're ready.
That's nice, no pressure. I like restaurants that don't stare at me while I calculate the tip.
Exactly. Now, let's look at another common sentence. The server might ask, would you like to pay by cash or card? Repeat after me. Cash or card? Simple.
Mini story. Last year, I traveled with my cousin. The server asked, cash or card? And I answered, yes.
Both?
I didn't know what he asked. He asked again. I smiled again. Finally, my cousin rescued me.
That's okay. These moments happen to everyone. The important thing is you keep learning.
Scene 3. Paying by card.
Server. How would you like to pay?
I'd like to pay by card.
Perfect. That's natural. Other common answers are, I'll pay by card, credit card, please, debit card, or simply card.
Speaking practice.
Repeat. I'd like to pay by card. I'll pay by card. Can I tap my card? Thank you. Excellent.
Scene 4. Splitting the bill.
Here's a question. What if I'm eating with friends? I don't want to pay for everyone's giant dessert. Then you can ask, could we split the bill? Or, can we split the check? Very common. The server may ask, together or separately. Together means one payment. Separately means everyone pays for their own meal.
I like separately, especially if my friend ordered the biggest steak on the menu.
That's understandable.
Repeat after me.
Could we split the bill? Separate checks, please. We'll pay together. Great job.
Scene 5. Asking about the total.
Sometimes I can't read the receipt quickly. Can I ask, what's the total? Of course, you can say, what's the total? Or, how much is it? Simple, natural, easy. The server might answer, it's $48, or it's 25 pounds.
Easy enough. Unless it's $400. Then I'll suddenly forget English.
Hopefully your dinner isn't that expensive.
Scene 6. Leaving a tip.
This part always confuses me. Do I have to leave a tip? That depends on the country. In the United States, tipping is common. In some other countries, service may already be included. Always check first. If you want to leave a tip, you don't need a long speech. Just say, keep the change, or I'll leave a tip. Simple.
Speaking practice.
Keep the change. I'll leave a tip. Thank you for the great service. Excellent.
Scene 8. When the card doesn't work.
Let's imagine something scary. My card doesn't work. What should I say? Stay calm. You can say, I think there's a problem with my card. Or, could I try again? Very natural. If necessary, you can ask, can I pay with another card? Simple, no panic.
Good, because panic never improves my English.
Mine either.
Quick review game.
Okay, Paul. Quick challenge. You're in a restaurant. You're finished eating. What do you say?
Could we have the bill, please?
Excellent. The server asks, cash or card?
Card, please.
Perfect. Now you're with 3 friends. Everyone wants to pay separately.
Could we split the bill?
Amazing. Now your card doesn't work.
Could I try again?
Fantastic. You're ready for a real restaurant conversation.
Complete restaurant dialogue.
Server. How was everything today? Emily. Everything was delicious. Thank you.
Server. I'm glad to hear that. Would you like dessert?
Paul. Not today. I'm too full.
Emily. Could we have the bill, please?
Server. Of course. Here you are. Whenever you're ready.
Paul. Thank you. Emily, can we split the bill?
Emily? Sure.
Server. No problem. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Emily. I'll pay by card.
Paul. Me too.
Server? Great. You can tap your card right here.
Paul. Done.
Emily. Thank you very much. The food was wonderful.
Server. Thank you. Have a great evening.
You too.
Final speaking practice.
Repeat after us one last time. Could we have the bill, please? I'd like to pay by card. Could we split the bill? What's the total? Keep the change. Thank you. Have a nice day. Fantastic. You're sounding more confident already. Scene 1. Checking the bill.
Here is your check. Thanks. Emily, I think something looks strange.
Really? What's wrong?
I ordered 1 burger, but the bill says 2 burgers. I promise I wasn't that hungry.
Don't worry. Mistakes happen. You can politely say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake on the bill." Repeat after me. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake on the bill. Excellent.
I'm so sorry. Let me check that for you. See? No need to argue. Just stay polite.
Exactly. Being calm usually solves the problem much faster.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after us. I think there's a mistake on the bill. Could you check it again, please? Thank you. Perfect.
Scene 2. Asking about a charge. Emily, what's this extra charge? I didn't order anything called service fee.
Good question. You can ask, could you explain this charge, please? Or, what is this charge for? Both are very natural.
That's our service charge. It's included in every bill. Oh, now I understand. Sometimes we worry because we don't ask.
Exactly. Questions help.
Mini story. Last year, I saw a charge called sparkling water. I thought it was free. It wasn't. Apparently, the bubbles cost money too.
Sometimes they do. Always ask if you're not sure.
Scene 3. Using a discount.
Imagine you have a discount coupon. How can you say it? Very simply, can I use this coupon? Or does this discount still work?
Yes, of course. We'll apply it. Paul. Music to my ears. Saving money always tastes good.
I agree.
Speaking practice.
Can I use this coupon? Do you have any discounts today? Thank you. Excellent.
Scene 4. Needing another payment method. I'm sorry, your card was declined. Oh no, that sounds scary.
Don't panic. Simply say, I'll use another card, or I'll pay with cash instead. Very easy.
Good, because panicking never fixes technology.
Exactly.
Scene 5. Asking for a receipt. Sometimes I need a receipt for work. How do I ask?
You can say, could I have the receipt, please? Or may I have a receipt? Very common.
Certainly. Here you are. Thank you. That was easy.
Repeat after me. Could I have the receipts, please? May I have a receipt? Thank you very much. Great job.
Scene 6. Complimenting the restaurant.
Before leaving, it's always nice to say something kind. You can say, the food was delicious. We really enjoyed our meal. Everything was excellent. The service was wonderful.
People always remember kindness, and honestly, good food deserves compliments.
Absolutely. A simple compliment can make someone's day.
Complete conversation. How was your meal?
Everything was excellent. Thank you.
Yes, the pasta was amazing. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Here's your bill. Excuse me, I think there's a mistake on the bill. Let me see. Oh, you're right. I'm very sorry. I'll fix it immediately.
Thank you.
Here is the updated bill.
Perfect. We'll pay by card.
No problem. Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are. Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you. We'll definitely come back.
Quick review. Let's practice together one more time. Repeat after us.
Excuse me, I think there's a mistake on the bill. Could you explain this charge, please? Can I use this coupon? I'll pay with another card. Could I have the receipt, please? The food was delicious. Fantastic. Paying the bill. Part 3. Advanced real-life restaurant situations. English Conversation Podcast.
Scene 1. Changing your mind.
Here's your check.
Actually, could we order one more dessert?
Of course. I'll bring you a new check afterward. See? That was easy. Notice the word actually. It's a very natural way to change what you're saying. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Actually, could we order one more dessert? Excellent.
I like that sentence, mostly because it includes dessert.
Scene 2. Paying for someone else. Imagine you're having dinner with a friend. It's their birthday. You want to surprise them. What can you say? Very naturally, I'd like to pay for everyone. Or, this meal is on me.
This meal is on me. I love that expression. It sounds so friendly.
Yes, it means you're paying for everyone. Here's another common one. Don't worry, I've got it. Repeat after us. I've got it. This meal is on me. I'd like to pay for everyone. Fantastic.
I also know another sentence. My wallet is at home.
Nice try.
Scene 3. when your friend wants to pay. Okay, this dinner is on me.
No, I'll pay.
Really?
Yes, you paid last time, it's my turn. That's very kind. People often say, it's my treat, or let me get this. Both are very common.
Mini story. One time, my friend and I both tried to pay. We kept saying, no, I'll pay. No, I'll pay. The server just stood there smiling. Finally, my friend said, let's flip a coin. I lost, and somehow I still paid.
That doesn't sound fair.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after us. It's my treat. Let me get this. You paid last time, it's my turn. Excellent.
Scene 4. Asking for change.
Emily, if I pay with cash, how do I ask for my change? Very simple. You can say, could I have my change, please? Or, can I get the change? If you're leaving part of it as a tip, you can say, please keep $10, or keep the rest.
Easy. Math is harder than English.
Sometimes I agree.
Scene 5. The card machine.
Would you like to insert your card or tap it?
What's the difference?
Good question. Insert means putting the card into the machine. Tap means touching the card to the payment terminal. Nowadays, many people simply tap their card or phone. You can say, I'll tap my card, or I'll use my phone. Very natural.
Repeat after me. I'll tap my card. I'll insert my card. Can I use my phone to pay? Excellent.
Scene 6. When the restaurant is busy. I'm sorry for the wait. We're very busy tonight. No problem. Take your time.
That's a useful sentence. Sometimes people become impatient, but being polite always feels better.
Exactly. Kindness is understood in every language.
Scene 7. Saying goodbye.
Thank you for coming. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you. Everything was wonderful. We'll definitely come back. Have a great night. See you again soon.
Complete conversation.
Did you enjoy everything? Yes, everything was delicious. Could we have the bill, please? Certainly. Here you are.
Actually, could we order one slice of chocolate cake?
Of course. I'll bring a new bill afterward. A few minutes later, here's your updated bill. I'd like to pay for everyone.
No, it's my treat today. You paid last time.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. I've got it.
How would you like to pay?
I'll top my card.
Perfect. You're all set. Here's your receipt. Thank you so much. We'll definitely come back. Have a wonderful evening. You too.
Quick review challenge.
Let's see how much you've learned. I'll ask the question. You answer before Paul does. Ready? You want to surprise your friend and pay. What do you say? Pause.
This meal is on me.
Great. You want one more dessert after getting the bill. Pause.
Actually, could we order one more dessert?
Excellent. You want to use your phone to pay. Pause.
Can I use my phone to pay?
Fantastic. You're getting better and better.
Final speaking practice.
Let's practice together one last time. Repeat after us. Actually, could we order one more dessert? This meal is on me. I've got it. It's my treat. I'll tap my card. Could I have my change, please? We'll definitely come back. Excellent work.